The moon's movement has always been a fascinating topic in understanding our planet and space. For centuries, humans have been curious about the moon's orbit and how it affects the tides and our daily lives. So, you've probably heard that the moon is moving away from us, and you might be wondering, what's the big deal? Why is this even a topic of interest? Well, the idea that the moon is moving away from us is quite counterintuitive. We're used to thinking of the moon as a constant presence in the night sky, not something that's slowly drifting away from us. But what's really interesting is that this concept has sparked a lot of debate and curiosity among scientists and space enthusiasts alike. If the moon is indeed moving away from us, what does that mean for our planet's rotation and the tides? And what are the implications for the Earth's future? These are just some of the questions that have driven scientists to study the moon's movement in more detail. The moon's movement is also a great example of how our understanding of the universe is constantly evolving. Just a few decades ago, we didn't have the technology or the data to accurately measure the moon's orbit. But with advances in space exploration and satellite technology, we've been able to gather more precise data and gain a deeper insight into the moon's behavior. Tidal forces are the key to understanding why the moon is moving away from us. Essentially, the moon's gravity causes the oceans to bulge, which in turn slows down the Earth's rotation. This process is happening very slowly, but it's enough to cause the moon to move about 3.8 centimeters away from us every year. That might not seem like a lot, but over millions of years, it adds up. The moon's recession is also closely tied to the Earth's rotation. As the moon moves away from us, the Earth's rotation slows down. This means that the length of our days is gradually increasing. It's a very small effect, but it's measurable. In fact, scientists have been able to detect this effect by studying the Earth's rotation patterns over the past few decades. One of the most interesting aspects of the moon's movement is that it's not unique to our planet. Many other celestial bodies, such as the moons of Jupiter and Saturn, are also experiencing similar tidal forces. In fact, one of the most fascinating discoveries related to the moon's movement is that it's not the only celestial body that's moving away from its parent planet. The Galilean moons of Jupiter, for example, are also experiencing a similar effect. The gradual recession of the moon is just one aspect of the moon's behavior, but it has significant implications for our understanding of the Earth's rotation, the tides, and the solar system as a whole. Do you have any thoughts or theories about why the moon is moving away from us? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about space and the moon, be sure to check out my other videos.